What is happening with you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the Bat Cave. How them floor mats doing? I guess we'll see how they clean up. So satisfying. A little extreme. I am sleepy. Even if I go to bed at like 9, 10 and I wake up like early, I'm not there. Why is this scam calling me? Shut that fat cap. Mean trying to scam me, bro, every day. You guys already see the title. Today I'm gonna be linking up with the winner of the Surron. That supposed to be sounding good, low key. Oh man, I love turbos. If you guys didn't know, recently I did another, regular merch drop. Figured why not spice it up a little bit and, let somebody come up and win the Surron just for supporting the merch. A little alright. He's actually from up north, so probably like a 6-hour drive for him, but I think he has some friends out here, so he came out over the weekend. Surron's at my storage unit back where I used to live. I asked him if he was cool with being on video and stuff, so I'll get his reaction and everything like that. And then he also wants to ride in the 340s. 340 is running solid right now, so I figured why not just take it. So after dropping that previous video about the 340, one thing y'all gotta stop doing, bruh. Stop talking shit about PQ. For the record, since it's had a big single on it, I've only had 2 issues with it. That's it. It just seems like I keep having issues with it because we were chasing this one problem. It wasn't nothing PQ could figure out because they're not a tuner. The only person that was able to figure that issue out was the tuner. And I have a good tuner, so it's not like, oh, you need to change tuners, bro. You need to go to this guy. I'm tuned by Sam. Sam is like the B58 GOAT right now. He actually had to tell MHD about it. So they know if other people run into that problem, then that's what it is. It had something to do with like the vibration of the engine at higher RPM. It was just one of those things that was kind of unexplainable. So that's why I was just like changing this and changing that and trying this. And none of that shit was working. So it seemed like we had all these problems with the car, but realistically it was just one thing. Sam was able to figure it out. Ever since he figured it out, that issue has not came back. So stop talking shit about PQ, guys. Just because they're not out here at the track trying to break world records don't mean they're not a good shop. Like, y'all be bugging. Only streamers go there. Shut the fuck up.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright guys, he should be pulling up soon. Actually I think that's him right here. How you doing, bro?
Good, how are you?
Chilling, man, chilling.
Good.
Another day, another dollar?
Yes, sir. Dang. That is crazy.
12 bucks.
12 bucks.
$12, bro. Bought 1 sticker and 1 the Surron. You're the lucky guy, dog. $12.
That's all it takes sometimes.
Sheesh. He gone. Wheezy out of here. It's pretty quick on for stock. It's pretty quick. Nice. This thing is clean. Hardly see these in good shape. Nah, it's really clean, bro. It's like mint. It's probably one of the cleanest ones I've seen in a while. You guys know me, I love my OEM plus cars that are clean. No more Surron kicks. Bro stole it for 12 bucks.
Man, I gotta feel all the hype's about. That cluster is sick.
Yeah, luckily it came with it when I bought the car. Pretty sure someone else put it in because I know that it's an OEM option, but I think it's like very, very rare to like get one OEM. So I think they added it aftermarket. It's like 6 WB cluster. Ay, Dios mío. That's what never gets old.
Who's it tuned by?
It's tuned by Sam. Samaya. Mr. Dubai himself. Yeah, he's goated. Really good tuner.
bay has like a fully built CTSV.
Yeah,
It's like
those move for sure.
like 900, yeah, like 1,000 wheel maybe.
Yeah. Probably
Magnuson blower, it's crazy.
Yeah, those
But I
are
feel like
raw power.
yeah,
These are more like
there's gonna be a different kind of power. Holy shit!
it loads and then it starts flying.
Keep pushing. I see the hype.
They're pretty crazy, bro. Like, it's like stock motor wise, it's like their built cars is weird. It's like they come built and shit. God damn.
Yeah, I think I need me a big turbo BMW now.
You know, it comes at a cost, but it just depends like how far you're willing to take it. Because to be honest, on the hybrid setup, it was like very straightforward and it was still pretty fast.
Yeah.
But it was just like, it wasn't the fast that I wanted because it was super smooth. Like, I almost felt like I had stock turbo. I mean, you kind of understand with the tier, like, yeah, it feels like stock turbo is a little bit faster, you know? Faster. But yeah, the damn big turbo life is crazy.
I've thought about going crazy, like full frame, big single on the E92, but that's a lot of work because nobody really does it on, especially the older N55s, nobody does it, so.
And that's hard to find.
Yeah.
So it's gonna just be more of a headache for you, because like finding like people to work on it reliably. Well, shit, man, there it is, the good old 340. It made it back, no drivetrain.
Blessed.
Crazy, man. Bro really came up. Bro is up right now. 90 plus degrees right now, AC blasting. Checked all my temps on my app. This shit's just cruising. But bro! And we made it back safe and sound. And you guys want to hear something funny? Well, obviously, you know, when you have a new lip or a nice lip on your car, there's really no damage on it. You take precautions, you're a little extra careful and stuff. Well, since my lip has been kind of messed up, I just kind of drive around a little careless. I don't really care, you know, I don't angle as much. I don't really hit dips as slow. So I was pulling into like a little driveway. It wasn't nothing crazy, but I went in a little faster than normal. And I heard something and I'm like, oh, it's fine. I just probably scraped it. And then when I got out, I was like... Yo, where's the rest of my lip? Damn. That shit is gone, bro. I do have another lip. I just gotta pick it up. Yeah, man, new lip coming for this. And maybe, I think this weekend or next weekend, I think there's a roll night. Probably take the 340 out, test it, have some fun, and see what's good, man. But for now, your boy about to go eat, because I'm hungry.
One debt to society later.
What's happening, guys? We are hopping back into this video for my guys over at Beamer Plug. We finally got a new lip. Shout out my guy Horizon Motorsports. Ass lip. I said that shit looks like the girls when their eyelashes are missing.
What'd you do, bro? What'd you do?
Did all kind of shit. It's a trooper though. It's just been on there for a cool minute. Yeah, this bitch ain't coming off. Alright guys, we back into action. New lip, who this? Just got that fresh Botox. Needed that for sure. Alright guys, we back. Okay, Z looking nice, minus the curb rash, but Z looking cool. Oh yeah, needed that. So huge shout out to my guys over at Horizon Motorsports for hooking me up, and shout out my guys Beamer Plug for getting it installed for me real quick, since I don't have none of the shit here to do it myself. Like I said, I'm not gonna be dragging jacks all through here. Like, I ain't doing it. I just go somewhere where they could just put it on for me. But bro, you never work on your own cars.